Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by choosing the optical path that gives true macro, a dedicated macro lens or extension tubes to reach 1:1 magnification. Mount your camera on a sturdy tripod and attach a remote release. This minimizes blur. Set ISO low, ISO 100, so you preserve detail because noise kills texture. Position a small LED panel or a diffused flash to sculpt light. You need soft, directional illumination to reveal surface detail. Once done, frame tightly and lock your focus ring to begin precise focusing steps. You now refine focus and composition. Switch to manual focus and use live view magnified between 5 times and 10 times. This lets you place the plane of focus exactly where you want it. For greater depth, capture a focus stack. Shoot 6 to 20 frames with tiny focus increments, because one frame rarely covers the subject. Compose with intentional negative space and choose a crop like 16:9 or square depending on impact. Make small adjustments. Each move changes depth and storytelling, so proceed deliberately. You finish by importing and stacking your frames in dedicated software. Align, blend, then selectively sharpen the result. This preserves micro detail. When editing, reduce noise in shadow regions without destroying micro contrast, because texture sells macro images. If you see blur, troubleshoot methodically. Ensure the tripod and release are stable, avoid too small apertures that cause diffraction, and confirm focus increments were small enough. If problems persist, change the lighting angle. A slight shift often rescues lost edge detail.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.